Mistplay progress does not automatically transfer between separate accounts, and Mistplay says your progress is tied to the account you used to play. If your game data isn't syncing across devices, the first thing to check is whether both devices are signed into the same Mistplay account. By the end, you'll know what to check before reinstalling anything. How Mistplay handles game progress, and what to do if your rewards or activities still aren't appearing correctly. Start by checking the account on both devices. Open Mistplay and go to your account settings to confirm that you're using the same login credentials. If one device is signed into a different Mistplay account, the activity from that account won't simply merge with your other profile. Use the correct account before continuing. Next, check the game itself. Mistplay's tracking system needs to recognize the game installation. If you installed the game previously on a device, tracking can be affected because Mistplay generally rewards qualifying activity from games installed through its platform. That means uninstalling and reinstalling a game just to force a sync isn't automatically a good fix. It can make tracking more complicated instead of solving the underlying account problem. Also check whether the game is listed inside Mistplay on the device where you're expecting the activity to appear. If the game isn't being tracked, playing additional levels may not produce the reward activity you're expecting. Your internet connection can matter too. Make sure the device has a working connection and allow Mistplay to communicate normally with its servers. If one device shows your account correctly, but another device doesn't show the same activity, close Mistplay completely on both devices and reopen it after confirming the account information. Don't clear app data or uninstall Mistplay before you've confirmed your login details. If you remove local information without knowing the correct account credentials, you can make the recovery process harder. There's another important point about game progress. Mistplay's reward system and the game's own save system aren't necessarily the same thing. A game may store progress through its own account or device backup system, while Mistplay separately tracks qualifying activity and rewards. So if the game itself has lost progress, check the game's own account or cloud save system rather than assuming Mistplay can restore it. If your Mistplay rewards or activity still aren't syncing after checking the account, game tracking and connection, contact Mistplay support. Include the device you're using, the affected game, the account information requested by support, and what you see on each device. The key points are simple. Use the same Mistplay account, don't reinstall games blindly, and separate the game's save data from Misplay's reward tracking. Your next step is to open Mistplay on both devices, and verify that the same account is signed in before changing anything else. If this fixed your syncing problem, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app reward guides.